In this video, I kicked this turd out of my garage. Keep watching and I'll show you where it's going and what's going on. Stay tuned. All right. Redo. Take two. Okay, here's the deal. I've pretty much got done what I need to do here with the front end and the Zeus fasteners and all that stuff for ultra-color collision repair. Fit all this stuff, fit the hood, fit the nose. I had to do a few things here, a little fitment I had to add. Oh, there's my finger. I had to add a Zeus here and over there in the nose. Just had to kind of make sure things are ready for the paint repair shop. But first, from here, and man, I want to keep hot on these videos and keep them rolling, but it's just, I spent so much time trying to figure out what I wanted to do on the hood and stuff, and just I wanted to make it right for the body guy so it's less work for him. And this body shit, I suck at it. And I hate it that I'm not good at it. It's just something I don't have a lot of experience with. And it bugs me that I'm not very good at that stuff, but that's why we have friends that are body men and paint men like Ultra Color Collision Repair, and Brad Umshaw, my buddy in Salina at Paints Unlimited. So this afternoon I finalized all this stuff here. I got the bar that supports the cowl here. It's all done. Pretty much, if I keep going with stuff, I'm probably just gonna mess things up for the body guy. So I'm done. It's sitting here on race jacks. I'm gonna put it on the ground. I got my truck and trailer outside. I'm gonna load it up tonight. I'm gonna get it on the ground, get it outside, load it up tonight. And tomorrow morning it's going to, and I say tomorrow morning, today is Saturday, May 10th. Tomorrow morning it's gonna go, which is May 11th, Mother's Day. Tomorrow morning it's gonna go to my buddy Keith's at FOXROD Racing. He's gonna do some carbon fiber work in the back. And when I get it on the ground, I'll kind of do a walk around in the back and kind of do a before of what it looks like now, and obviously an after when he's done with it. So it'll take a little bit for this video to get put together, because I'm gonna do, this is all gonna be part of it. This here, I'm gonna do time, when I'm done kind of with this little segment here, I'm gonna time lapse it on the ground, get it outside, get in the trailer, and in between there, I'll just kind of show the back end, the stock, well, it's kind of stock sheet metal, some of it. It's some steel wheel tubs that I put in back in probably, probably 2011, 2012. It's still a heavy car. It's getting a small block. It needs to be as light as it can. We just want to knock some weight off the car in all the places we can. So we're going to put some carbon fiber tubs from the front of the tubs to the rear of the car back there where the tail lights are. We're going to do all carbon fiber. Keith's going to do all that work at FOXROD Racing. I'm going to deliver it tomorrow morning. So I say tomorrow morning, the 11th. I don't know how long it'll take him to do it. So this video is obviously going to be out way after that, because there will, well, maybe I'll put this video together showing this much, getting on the ground, showing the back like before it goes to Keith and what it looks like back there, and then maybe do another video. This is probably what I should do. Do two different videos, like it's leaving here, this is what it looks like, it's going to Keith's. And then when he's done, do a video of the changes that he made and the carbon fiber he put in the back, and also how much weight reduction. Man, I'm shooting for, I'll be tickled with like 30 pounds. Hopefully I'm shooting low. I would wish for like 40 or 50, as much as possible. I'm just trying to be realistic and kind of undershoot. If it's more than that, man, that's a bonus. So every little bit helps. It's going to be small block powered. There's no weight limits, no weight rules in Titans of 10.5 where I'll be racing. So I want to get as much weight out as possible and then make the chassis work with the weight that it weighs. When I've kind of done as much as I can do in a reasonable amount of time with a reasonable amount of work. So I got me a tasty beverage, a little Crown and Coke. We're gonna put this rascal on the ground, get it outside. I'm gonna hook up my winch. I'm gonna time lapse this. We're gonna kick it outside. I need to move my truck and trailer forward. Gonna get this thing outside, get it in the street. That's what I'll take, like, I'll do another quick little video that shows the inside of the car when it's on the ground outside of how it looks right now. And then when Keith's done, we'll do probably a video, a follow-up video of the work that Keith has done and how much weight we got out of it. When it hits his shop tomorrow, or I don't know if we'll do it tomorrow, but before he touches it with a grinder, he's gonna put it on scales, a starting weight, and then when he's done with the carbon tubs and the carbon material to the tail lights, all that hatch area back there, all that steel sheet metal is coming out. He's gonna put it back on the scales when he's done, and we're gonna have a weight reduction number right off the scales. So that'll be fun to see. I'm hoping for a lot. I'm gonna be realistic and shoot for 30 plus, and it'll show you probably a 3,100 pound car racing in limited 275. There's some awesome hitters in that class. My buddy Rodney, our friends Gary Spaniak, Wes Choate, them guys got awesome cars. So I need to take advantage of everything I can do right now. It sucks I'm not racing now. I don't have an engine yet. We're getting, making progress on that. It's got to get some paint work done, get this painted, the hood painted, get the nose painted. There's a fiberglass hatch back there that you'll see when I go out there and get some video of that. But I'll shut up. I'm gonna take a drink. Tasty beverage, Crown and Coke. And I'm gonna stop this, fire up the time lapse, get it outside, and get it loaded up tonight to take to Keith tomorrow. Let's go. Okay, it's down the deep end of the driveway. We're gonna hook the golf cart up to it here in just a little bit. But this is what it looks like as it's leaving my garage. We came from inside there. My wife's mowing the grass. The grass looks awesome. Woo! So there's a piece of carbon fiber here that Keith put in when he put the Marilat stuff underneath. But right here, that's a steel tub that I made back in 2011. That's steel. I think it's 18 gauge steel. They're a pretty big tub. They go from way up there, way back here. I forget what they measure, 32 inches or 33 inches. There's my steer guy. I'm gonna run the golf cart and he's gonna do the steering. Yeah. That's my son Casey. Oh, cool shirt, Risk Barbell. Let's see that. Boom! Wichita, Kansas. Check it out, cool. So this is sheet metal that I put in back in 11. Sheet metal, Keith's gonna cut all this out and we're gonna carbon fiber this from, you know, obviously the tub, probably from like, from this point right here, where he rolled it over, probably from like this point to the back, and get rid of this sheet metal. I'm a little skeptical on how much total weight we're gonna knock out. I know roughly how much weight we got out of Rodney's, or not we, Keith and Rodney got out of Rodney's car doing this, which was a nice chunk. I'd be happy with that. He probably had more stock sheet metal than I got, but we'll see. So this is what it looks like now. And the follow-up video to this will be when this is done and Keith has this all squared away with some lightweight carbon fiber. All right, we're gonna load it up. It's all loaded up. It's tied down. It's ready to go to FOXROD Racing in the morning, Sunday morning on Mother's Day. It's all loaded up, ready to go. I should wave bye to it. Bye. Bye.